The conversation around vaccinating kids against COVID-19 is ramping up tonight. The FDA could potentially give the green light to Pfizer's vaccine for children ages 5 to 11 tomorrow. This as Moderna just announced its COVID shot works for kids 6 to 11. KGW's Alma McCarty spoke with a local pediatrician about the conversations she's having with families.
Parents looking for reassurance and understanding bring their questions involving the COVID vaccine and their kids to experts like Dr. Malaika Little, a pediatric clinical infectious disease specialist for Randall Children's Hospital.
I think there's a huge range that people are worried about. And really, to me, there's some positive in that, because what that means is everybody's thinking about their kids first. Right. So I partly chose to be a pediatrician because I think we take better care of our kids than we do of ourselves.
Since the beginning of the pandemic, pediatricians have fielded a lot of questions, and now even more so with the potential approval of the vaccine for even more kids just on the horizon.
It's pretty important we don't generalize it and say, hey, here's what other people are worried about. But really, what are you worried about in your kid? I mean, every kid is a little bit different. And for some parents, it's really basic, right? Their kid has a terrible time with flu shots, and they're just nervous for the actual vaccine. With some parents, it's a far more extended, gosh, this is new. I don't know if it's been out yet. I don't really want to be first.
Dr. Little says health experts across the board know much more than they did a year ago. What she's seen personally is encouraging.
I do feel very confident as an infectious disease specialist with the amount of disease that we're seeing, with the amount of experience we have had with these vaccines, and really based on the decades of time and intention people have put into these technologies, that these are incredibly important tools for us to have moving forward, and really are the secret to getting us back to having a normal childhood, which is what we want for all these kids.
Her advice for those families still cautious and curious: ask your family doctor or pediatrician and listen to well-informed experts working tirelessly to move everyone out of this pandemic.
Today, Moderna announced its vaccine is effective for kids ages 6 to 11. Researchers tested 2 shots, each containing half the dose given to adults. The company said vaccinated children developed antibodies similar to levels young adults produce after full-strength shots. Now, Moderna hasn't yet gotten the go-ahead from the FDA for anyone under 18. However, the FDA meets tomorrow to discuss authorizing emergency use for Pfizer shots for kids 5 to 11.
We should hear more then. Thank you, Alma. And coming up here on KGW.